for production. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your eternal support. As usual, looking out for you any way possible that you can enrich your portfolio full of free coins, NFT, anything out there that you can invest for free without the need to get money out of your pockets. On this particular video is what I'm actually talking about. Scrypto Oracle Challenge. Hello, Scrypto community. Let's go straight to business. Scrypto point 4 has just been released, bringing long-awaited features such as the ability to link a front end to your components and having a more complete authentication model. We want to celebrate this milestone by launching the second official Scrypto Developer Challenge. Last time, the subject was decentralized exchanges, and we received amazing submission from the community. The competition we are launching today will be about building an Oracle Scrypto blueprint. We heard great feedback from the community about the previous competition, and now we are offering a prize pool of $5,000 XRD. The challenge: the components you instantiate on Radix can only access data only access data that is already present on the network. It cannot do REST API calls or get the price of an asset, for example. Oracles are a solution to this problem by offering a bridge between off-the-chain data and Scrypto components, or offering a way for an on-chain component to communicate back out to the off-chain system in some way. Starting today, you will have until May 27. You have 3 days left, guys, to come up with a Scrypto package that represent an oracle. You could, for example, create an oracle giving access to the outcome of the match of your favorite undefeated WBO cruiserweight world boxing champion, or come up with a prize feed oracle that allows user and other companies to have access to crypto price directly on chain. You could even build an output oracle or our oracle or compute enabled oracle that communicates back out to the real world. For example, acting as a payment confirmation system for an e-commerce or banking website. The possibilities are limitless. Since Oracle need an off-chain system to securely update its data, you can assume that this system is already in place and can all methods on your component. You are free to build this off-chain process, but it will not be taken into account while judging. You may want to consider building something or even making use of an existing blueprint that you or somebody else has built. That makes use of your oracle to really show off why is valuable, but it's up to you. Also, now that you are able to create basic web UI to interact with component using a Scrypto 0.4 and the public test environment, they will be providing extra point in the judging to entries that provide a working web front end to interact with the blueprint that and components that you come up with. But They are not judging anyone on how pretty or usable the web front end is. It's strictly functionality right now. Prices. Just like the previous competition, every participant will come up with a collectible NFT prize. This NFT will represent your participation in this event and will allow you to show how early you were in the crypto ecosystem. As a reminder, NFTs are not a thing on the Olympia network. They are going to keep track of the ownership of the NFTs internally until Babylon is out, and they will be able to send it to you. Other than this participation NFT, they're increasing the prize pool from their previous competition to $5,000 worth of XRD, shared between the three best submissions: 2750 XRD dollars to the first $1,500 XRD, to the second $750 worth of XRD, to the third prize. But wait, there's more. The three winners, along with 10 randomly selected participants, will each receive a t-shirt with the Radix logo so that you can code your feature blueprint with style. Alright, how we will judge the examples. When the challenge is closed for submission, the Scrypto team will take a look at the submission and decide on the three winners based on this criteria: quality and asset orientedness of your code, refer to our design parenting page; breadth of functionality, creativity of concept, quality of the documentation and comments in the code for others who wish to use the blueprint; usage of the front-end JavaScript SDK and the transaction manifest to allow us to test your component using a web interface. The look of the front end will not influence the judging. So pretty much you gotta know what you're doing. Don't worry about the presentation of your work. It's the coding that they're actually after. This is without doubt one of the most difficult um, um, giveaway for competition prizes, NFT um, airdrops that I ever had to deal with and present it to all of you. So this is not for um, regular newbie NFT challenge people. This is already for pro. Okay. How to participate? Of course, this is what you have been waiting for. To participate in this crypto competition, please read the following steps. You gotta install the Scrypto toolchain and make sure you are on the v0.4 version with the Scrypto version. Let's click on it, and here's where you're gonna find it. Okay, here. So just wanted to share that with you. And step 2, fork the challenge repository. Step 3, clone the forked repository on your local environment. Let's see what's the challenge repository. Oh, okay, there you are. So, and we have step 4. Well, step 3 is clone the fork repository on your local environment. And 4, start a new Scrypto project with the Scrypto new package name inside the Oracle directory. And step 5, before the deadline on May 27, commit and push your project folder and create a pull request here. Yeah, right there. You pull request right here, and you do what you gotta do, buddy. In step 6, send an email to Clement at rdx.works containing a link to your pull request to complete your submissions. These are the resources, which I don't want to read all of them to you because it's too much. I don't want to get you bored. These are the details of the challenge. I'm gonna put the URL down below or the video description so you actually can come and get access to it. Um, Honestly, I didn't know it would be that difficult, and the deadline is really short. My apologies about that, but I didn't know this was around. This actually already began beginning of May, so whoever sees this now will have a lot of disadvantage compared with other participants. But if you know what you're doing and you're good at this, you have 3 days. It can be done. All right. I still gonna leave this video open for the days to come, the weeks to come, the month to come, because it's a very good source. And this project, you can actually have access to it in the future, and you can learn a lot from it. I hope you have an open mind for it. This is the reason why I'm leaving it open. If you have further concern or any other questions, please don't hesitate to write me down below. The URL of this main page, I'm gonna put it down to the video description so you can get access and to this, and you can read it on your own pace and have an idea of what this is all about. Good luck, and I'll see you until the next video. And yeah, this is a very challenging one, but you don't have to spend any money, and it's a good price if you win. So if you participate, please let me know how was it and how did you enjoy it. I mean, what did you do? Did you get to win? Um, I hope that it was beneficial, this video, and you were capable to participate or get something out of it. Have a wonderful day. Until the next time. FTC.